Hey folks, it's Lance McBrayer here with the Lance McBrayer Lab, Lifestyle and Brands. And I want to personally invite you to something truly exciting, our Biz Kids Boot Camp. Yes, it's our first annual Kids Entrepreneur Camp designed to ignite the future of young minds right here in Boston. So, are you searching for a fun, educational, and transformational summer experience for your child? Then this is it. Our one-week summer camp is the perfect opportunity to empower your child or children with real-world business skills, all while having a blast. So, what makes our camp different? First, we focus on creativity and innovation. Biz Kids Boot Camp is built to spark new ideas in children ages 8 to 12, then 13 to 17 through hands-on activities, team challenges, and interactive lessons. We want your kids to not only think outside the box, but realize they can design their own and even own it. So we also teach critical life skills like leadership, teamwork, problem solving, and even financial literacy. These are the tools your child will carry far beyond summer into school, future careers, and everyday life. And here's something we're especially proud of. We're teaching kids how to responsibly use AI, artificial intelligence, including ChatGPT, to brainstorm, build, and launch their very own business ideas in just this 1 week. So we want our campus to be tech savvy and thoughtful, ready to be the ethical entrepreneurs of the future. We're also proud to host this year's boot camp in collaboration with CandleLux, our sister company. All sessions will take place in our inspiring, creative new studio space located at 176 Newbury Street in Boston's Back Bay. Yes, it's the perfect environment for kids to dream big and build something bold. So throughout the week, your child will get expert instruction, create their own product or service, learn marketing strategies, and wrap up with a mini marketplace showcase where they can present and even sell what they've created and show you what they've done. But don't just take our word for it. Parents are already raving. One mom told us she's so excited about sending her child to the Biz Kids Boot Camp that she already knows that it's going to be the best decision they'll make this summer. Your child will finish with more confidence, creativity, and motivation than you ever thought they could have. Spots are limited, and we expect to fill up fast, so don't wait. Visit bizkidsbootcamp.org to register or get more information. You can also call us at 617-872-6988 or email us at info@bizkidsbootcamp.org. So this is your chance to give your child a summer they'll never forget and a future they'll be excited to build. So let's spark something great together at Biz Kids Boot Camp. We can't wait to see you there. Yeah, and try to say that 3 times fast. Biz Kids Boot Camp, Biz Kids Boot Camp, Biz Kids. Okay, yeah. We'll see you there.